Hi friends, in this video we will be seeing how to install Google Meet app in your desktop PC or your laptop PC. For that, go to Google Chrome browser and go to the website meet.google.com. And coming to the website, you can see that on the top right corner there is an option called Install Google Meet. Click on that download button and a pop-up with install button will be shown. Click on install and that's it. Within a few seconds, Google Meet app will be installed in your desktop PC. You will be also getting a shortcut and that's how you install Google Meet in your desktop PC. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share this video. Thank you.